Hello guys, welcome back to Malik Joe 34 channel. This is Malik Arjun. In this today's session, I'm gonna quickly explain about our new Telegram group pros and cons. And this is the second time I'm announcing our Telegram group because the reason behind that is I'm getting so many personal pings, and the people are requesting me to add them into WhatsApp group or add them into our Telegram group. So just to clear it out, we don't have any WhatsApp group. Already we announced in our previous session. We had our WhatsApp group and we have closed that WhatsApp group now permanently. And then we have only our Telegram group. And this Telegram group does not need any of the permission to add, because this is a public group. You can always self register yourself. You can add by yourself. And if you are not aware of our Telegram group details, you can always, if you have like Telegram app is installed on your Android phone or the iPhone, you can always open your Telegram app and search for just Malik 034. That will take you to the our Telegram group, that is Malik 034 Oracle World. And if you're trying to add it via web, you can always use this https t.me Malik 034. That will take you to the Telegram web browser. So you can directly add it here, and then that will take your desktop mode or the browser mode, whatever it is. So a few of the key points or key takeaway from our Telegram group is, it already reached 1K members within a short span of months, within or like 2 or 3 months. I'm very much happy with that, because within a short span of time, it has reached already 1K. That is very exciting moment. And also, I see a lot of our group members are always proactive and always actively participating in any of the discussion. That is other good part of our group. And I request all of our team members to be active on our group and try to express your opinion, try to uh, respond back to any of the queries you can see on your group, so that that will go on a more discussion, and that will come to a valid conclusion at the end of the discussion, right? And the other key point is, whenever you are whenever you are having a habit of writing your technical blogs, always feel free to post your blog content, so that any other your fellow colleague will go through that and read and understand, and you will get some technical knowledge out of that. That's the other point. And the fourth important point is, uh, please do post any of the career opportunities or career openings or any of the job openings in your project or in your organization. Post it here in this group, so that that will be helpful for the other fellow colleague who is actively looking for a job, and he's wanted to change his job. That will be very helpful for our entire DBA community. So always feel free to post your job opportunities or job opening in your project or in your organization, so that that is going to be valid openings and valid opportunities, so other can easily apply for that and get benefited out of that. And other one of the conscious is, like, before you post or before you forward any of the job opportunities which is posted in the other groups or in social media like LinkedIn or Facebook, just validate that whether that is a fake opportunities or the valid opportunities. Just validate that and then post it here, so that if it's a fake opportunity, that is unnecessarily misguide or miscommunicate us, and then that will make us some harm to the other fellow colleague. So we don't want to get into that situation. Always before forwarding any of those such opportunities, you just validate once and then post it here, so that we can avoid unnecessary miscommunication. That's the other point I wanted to highlight. And then other interesting fact about our group is, it is rapidly growing, and we already reached 1K within a short span of time, and that's a very exciting moment. And all of our team members are proactively and actively participating each other. That's the other part. And most of them I'm seeing they're sharing their knowledge and actively participating on any of the other queries. That's a good part of that. And other interesting fact is, if you're doing any of the testing, or if you're learning a new not things on your day-to-day basis, or if you're testing or you're doing R&D on your lab or in your servers, and if you on day-to-day basis, whatever you learn, and if you feel that is an exciting moment, and you always feel free to post your feedbacks here, so that others can read it and others can understand, and then they can improve their knowledge. So that that will be very helpful for other fellow colleagues and entire Oracle Word community, so that we all together learn and we all together grow and we all together help each other, right? So these are the key takeaway points, and a few of the consciousness about this group. And I'm very much sure about the way this group is growing. I'm expecting in next upcoming days, in future days, this group will go bigger and bigger. I'm very happy for that. That's a quick update I wanted to announce in this particular session, so that others can easily join our group and then get benefited out of it. And one more important thing to announce before we close this session: uh, you can always feel free to share this group information to your friend and your friend of friend, and all your friend circle, all your DBA community. You always you know feel free to post this group details, so that others can join this group and others can actually participate on this group, and that they will get benefited out of this group, and they can always uh, you know uh, be active participant on this group, and then get a technical update on that and what's going on day-to-day life. So everything what's going on our day-to-day DBA life, and what's the new thing is happening at our DBA, and what is the latest update on our DBA career role. Everything they will gonna get update on that, and they will be up to date, so that we can help each other in our Oracle community, and we can grow all together. So that's a quick update I wanted to give it to all our group members and our YouTube followers, so that this group can go bigger and bigger and help each other. That's a quick update, guys. Thank you.